welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'll tell you 5 most important key points to get modern RP accent. If you want to get the accent, so you need to focus and learn how to pronounce these letters in modern RP accent. So without further delay, let's get started. Number 1 is A. How to pronounce it? We pronounce it like a sound. You need to widely open your mouth. For example, bat, map, rat, cap. Number 2 is O. O is also a vowel, and we pronounce it like O. O. You need to slightly round your lips, like O. O. For example, hot, pot, note. Repeat after me. Hot, pot, note. Next key point is R sound. Means R sound. Let me tell you, we do not pronounce R after vowel. For example, this word, in second syllable of this word, we have O and then R. So we won't pronounce R because it's after the vowel. We'll pronounce it like information. Information, not information. It's incorrect in British English. Next example is water. Water. If you find ER sound at the end of a word, so you need to use AH sound instead of pronouncing ER sound. You need to pronounce it like water, water with AH sound. Better, letter, butter. Let's jump into next key point, and it's again about R sound. We do pronounce R after consonant. For example, this word, grow, grow, grow. G is a consonant and then we have R. So we'll pronounce it like grow, grow, brown, brown, bread, bread. Repeat after me. Brown, brown, bread, bread. Now, last key point is glottal T. O, glottal T. What's the difference? Both are completely correct ways to pronounce this word. In British English, we often take T sound away because we often use glottal stop instead of pronouncing T sound in our British English. We use glottal stop often between two vowels or at the end of a word. For example, Britain, Britain, and we have I and I. Both are vowels and we have T between it. We'll pronounce it like Britain, Britain. Number 2 is button, button. Again, between two vowels. And the last one is bottle, bottle, bottle. It's also a glottal stop, so I glottalize T in all these 3 words. Exemplary. I'll show you some words on the screen and then you'll have to pronounce all these words after me. Let's get started. Pronounce this word. Mother, mother. Now this word. Grow, grow. We have R after consonant G. We will pronounce it like grow, grow. Next word. Dog, dog with O sound. Now this word. Car, car, not car, because we have R after vowel. We won't pronounce it. Now this word, pronounce it letter, letter, with AH sound at the end. We replaced ER with AH sound. This word? Now this word. Party, party, R after vowel, A. We won't pronounce it. We'll pronounce it like party, not party. Folks, folks, with O sound, O sound. And this? Bat, bat, with A sound. So these are our 5 important key points to get modern RP accent. If you are interested in amazing British English, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon and also share this video with your friends who are actually interested in British English. See you soon in the next video with a new lesson.